Hey everybody. So we bought this KitchenAid cheese grater a little while ago. A few months, maybe a year. And we got it because we keep breaking cheese graters and we wanted one that was going to last. So we got the more expensive one, the KitchenAid cheese grater. And here it is, busted. And so I got into it a little bit. And part of the problem is that they expect this plastic structure to hold any flex on this very flexible can. There's no reinforcement in the corners, so anytime you're working this thing, it's working that plastic. And then we got this tube on top for the handle, and that's not sealed. There's a little drain hole in it and all kinds of crud and stuff that collects in there for when you wash it. So I'm gonna fix this because I'm tired of buying cheese graters. Alright, so here we have a fully welded cheese grater. It's way more rigid. There's a fully welded handle, goes all the way around, so there's nothing going to get in or out of it. It's not the prettiest thing I've ever done, but it's all stainless and it'll go through the dishwasher. Oh yeah, fully dishwasherable cheese grater I can pass on to my kid. So that's that.